Now, here is how to see PDF slides on a Notion on an iPhone. Essentially, here is how PDFs work on a Notion. So make sure to start a new page, and you can easily just import or bring over the PDFs like that. So you're going to click on the text field, click on the plus button, and in here, when you scroll through like the blocks, you will get to the media, and you can click on file, and essentially from the file section, you can pick any PDF which you have. So I believe this is a PDF of a website which I have added. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with files larger than 5 megabytes. For that, you need to be a pro subscriber of Notion. So either upload some kind of smaller file, or obviously you can as well just compress the existing PDF to make sure that it fits inside in here. However, once you have the file in here, and if you actually want to see like the pages or the slides of this, you can just get inside and just click on it, make sure it loads up. You need an internet connection for that, and now you can just check out the files, anything that is uploaded to your Notion page. So it is pretty simple. It is pretty intuitive. For whatever reason, if it doesn't work for you, perhaps you don't have a stable internet connection or something else is going on, but for me, it works pretty well. So I just click on it. It has to load up all the time. And now I can zoom in and use the search feature to find like text on it. I can now share it or save it somewhere else. You can see it is in fact a PDF document right there. So that's how I use it. I don't really have a problem with it. You can also just print it right away or save it to files. So it is pretty intuitive to use PDFs on a Notion. So if there is anything specific which you would like to know about, let me know down below in the comments, as I'm kind of curious to see what some other questions you might have. And yeah, for now, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and make sure you never miss future videos like this one.